Yeah, Louis, let me tell you, once you're from Babonon Forest, that's how you are.
What the
I just the forest a little young, so I not too.
I look like a real tongue man there, boy.
You?
Yeah.
Please, even the cooler, let me know where we
You
go.
know right behind fun?
Huh?
You know right behind fun?
That's your first time? I will be. It's not my first time.
I'm bad at that funny boy, I was bad.
Yeah, Van Life, let me see. Van Life.
I just want one.
When you sit down inside, it's like, I don't want to again.
No, when you're the driver, you don't want one again.
Yeah, man, today's a day for Trad. Trad life. Cutting on the highway behind a pickup with some drinks, some beer, some good friends. You know what I mean? Honestly, nothing beats the experience of chilling behind a flat van with your friends. Even made a new friend, apparently Rebecca. She hopped at the back. We had to wait in town for just a little bit because we actually had to take a bus. Yeah, believe it or not, we actually had to take a bus, so we were just killing time, you know.
Yeah, little caramel.
Me there 5 minutes watching cricket.
If I stay outside,
Bad man. For grunting. You don't need this speed. Alright guys, so today right now we're with Farm and Nature Adventures. We just were waiting on the bus. It's a little late. It's actually getting dark. It's 11:30. This is actually not my drink, Mom. I do not drink. We're going to be going waterfall chasing, snorkeling. It's going to be a vibe, alright? We're going to go to Canaries, do a little bit of cliff jumping, snorkeling, and just make it a vibe today. And again, Mom, this is not my drink. I swear. Let's go.
I almost thought it was out shit.
I worried about them, no, that means I'm not.
So, updates, we're still in town. We haven't
Going
left.
to the square.
Yeah, we haven't left. We've been in town. Yes!
The Derek Walton Square.
So I want to be in the life, eh? So I want to be in the life. So I want to be in the life.
So look the bus behind us there.
Why do you have plastic paper? What's plastic paper? The plastic paper is something that we brought from the year 2020.
I feel like we might make something to tell you never coming on a tour with me again.
You dog it, Lynn. You dog. I say you dog.
You're going to stone, I mean. I am saying monkey. You're going to spell monkey. Why are you spelling monkey? How are you misspelling that, baby?
Wow, almost it.
This is called 12 o'clock. Is that empty? Empty. Stop watching my shit, man. So it's 12 o'clock. I don't have my phone to show you the time, but it's 12 o'clock. We left our home about, let's say, after 8 because our goal was to be for 9 o'clock. Obviously that did not happen because these people have no kind of idea of time. That concept doesn't exist to them. So yeah, and we head by the cinema parking lot for cooler beds and we were waiting for 9 o'clock. So you know, this is my travel cup. There's the for my stomach. The practice is right here. After the previous, so you check it. Today's thing that would be the vibes.
I'm observing the cooking process. I see from left to right the chicken is getting darker. I don't know if that's set in the middle level or something, but looking rather untouched.
This one is cutting in KFC.
That's why the sale of shopping is not good, you know. Say especially the ones if nice, they're not good at all.
How not good?
So you know you cannot have a food stop without a gas stop, fuel stop.
Why would you do that?
Cannot try without gas, you know what I mean?
Hit me for the vlog. Hit me. Big up, good vibes only. And you have the entire gang, the alcoholics, and people who love eating party food.
Try it. Along the way we came across this huge boar. Now I mean huge, you know what's huge, father?
I don't want to die today. I want to die today.
Huge! one huge boa constrictor. Now, personally, I wasn't gonna touch it.
Doing a photo shoot.
Who does the head? Who does the head?
Pretend you're in a photo shoot.
Hear this, guys. Nothing. You know what's nothing? Nothing. Nothing would make me touch that snake. But guess what? Allison taking one for the team.
Yeah, but it hissing. What does that mean?
It is?
Yeah, it had its tongue out. What does that mean?
It didn't hiss.
Okay, but its tongue was out. Take it.
What is oh sorry.
Father Nature, take it.
Hey.
Good afternoon. The boss even answered me about your shift.
So we got a ride. That saved us about 45 minutes that we would have been walking on foot for the trad. So that's good.
All the drink on top of the one there. On top of that, man, because will be sticky.
So all we had to really do now was just dodge trees and one thing. But small things, you know what I mean? Small things. Small things.
So we in the bush.
True.
In some unknown land.
True.
Away from civilization where you can never find me.
True.
Right now I'm smelling some ganja. That one rust somewhere like you.
That man they hiding me.
I love the bush.
Have you ever seen Super Magic?
The vibe nice, eh? Boy. I know.
Very small constituency. Okay, let's go. Ready? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
What's this?
We have the gang Father Nature vibe to check it. J there. The other J in the front. I know J knows how some madness doing. K there. Little bro there, you check it. I'll be behind the camera.
Yeah, I am.
There's some people trading down. So I have to show exactly where we're going. Personally, I just want to snorkel and eat KFC. I hope you like the vibe. Follow Father Nature and his vibe. It's a really nice experience, even though it has been a little late. But small things.
You know we all Lucians here.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so right now we're heading to the Canaries waterfall. We just got a ride, so it saved us about 45 minutes of the walk, and we walked about 10 to 20 minutes, and we have some people ahead probably just get the hidden gem right now. It's a beautiful waterfall, and right now we've spurred on the rest, so we're about to go venture there ourselves.
Jaden, Jaden, I drop the Heineken there. Jaden,
Drink on a Christian.
we came across this little place that I guess if you pass it, you will know exactly where. It's like a little staircase. Yeah, the vibe a little steepness vibe, you know. Then we back to treading and treading and treading. Then we back to treading and treading and treading and treading and treading. I really don't think the camera giving any justice to how nice this place is. The place looking nice. Dog. The sounds of nature, water trickling between the rocks to get into the riverbed. Wow. This was an amazing experience. There's some really beautiful views as well. In fact, this place is so beautiful. I need to tell you all myself. Yeah, so as you all could see, as you all could see, it's a med speed. Check if you're going to check out the vibe just now there. Just getting some shots and everything to make sure y'all good for everything. All that's left to do is just a few freakouts to enjoy themselves. Any river is always the best place to just let your thoughts out and relax and, you know, just listen to the sounds of nature. Water cold like hell. But all good things come to an end, and we had to bail from the trad. Yeah, you know already, bush, trad, 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 and trad.
If anything, I did Because I want to jump from there. Yeah? Yeah, but I want you to jump first. Let me know it's safe. You have to make sure. And once I jump there, I have enough confidence to jump out. Only good.
I watch it now.
Wow. Oh, God, I'm scary. I'm scary.
And you're listening chat for the man?
Boy, that's how scary.
20 minutes later.
Please don't have a panic attack.
2 hours later.
Let's go, Caitlin. Let's go. Woo! You know, that's not what I think that better. Like my body telling me do it and my heart telling me go.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I will die.
Meanwhile.
Bad girl. 2, 1, let's go! You saw up.
Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Yeah, 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 yeah. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Keep a young nigga hydrated. Yeah. On a calm with the
Yeah, we under the water there.
Posted up with the gang plan. Whole day, yeah, nigga faded. And she wanna buy a bottle of it. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Yeah, 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 yeah. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Water, 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 water. Keep a young nigga hydrated. Yeah. On the calm with a pretty lady. Posted up with the gang plan. Whole day, yeah, nigga faded. And she wanna buy a bottle of it. All this money, all this fucking baby. Got no time for no fucking neighbor. Got no time for no fucking neighbor. Tell me, baby, who go? Just in case you forgot, you got you, me and them mind you. Got in your way, just the way you like you. Sending me love, oh no, baby, you're more. You're more. Oh, baby, you're more. Baby, you're more. You're more. You send me higher, 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 higher. Higher, 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 higher. You send me higher, 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 higher. Higher, higher,